how to find restricted messages. I'll also teach you guys how to restrict or unrestrict someone on Facebook Messenger. Now this is very simple, so before moving on to it, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, leave a like to the video, and also check out more of our content. Now let's just start. First, you need to open your Messenger. Now to show you how to restrict someone, all you need to do is swipe right, swipe left, click on more, and there you will see the restrict button. Just click on restrict, and there you will restrict. Now when you have restricted someone, their messages will disappear from your chat section. Now to see where you have all the restricted people have gone, you will need to click on the three horizontal lines and then on the settings. Now after you've gone to the settings, scroll down, then go to privacy and safety. There you can see the section which says who can reach you. There you can see all the restricted accounts. Now click on it, and there you can also add more people that you want to restrict, or you'll just see the one that you have restricted. Now click on the profile, and then you'll see the option to unrestrict them. Just click on unrestrict, and then it's done. As you can see, there is no more restricted accounts in my restricted account section, and it's done. There you can see the text is back. So that is all for the video, guys. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more.